In today's video, I will be showing to you a new project wherein you can earn guaranteed 3% daily into this, and it is called BNBMiner.Finance. If you're interested to learn more about this project, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Cryptoegg here, back again with another awesome updates from you guys. So let's just jump right into it, okay? So BNB Miner pays a modest 3% daily, allowing investors to rest easy knowing that their investments have unlimited growth potential and a maximum improbable risk of less than 3%. So this is already verified public contract in a BSC scan, which is very important because you actually don't want to send money into an unverified address, because you will actually imposing more of your risk into yours, because you might actually lose your money quicker than anyone else. Okay, so BNB.Miner.Finance is what you just need to do here is just connect. Okay, connect your MetaMask wallet over here. So connect it and then buy a miner here. So one BNB hires more than 286,947.66 miners, and let's say you can even start for around 0.1 or even 0.05. It doesn't matter because here there is no minimum capital, and that is why it's also good for you to join into this because it has been up for more than 6 months now. Okay, so after you've bought your miner, you will be having, or you will be seeing like the BNB inside this barrel, and you can pocket your BNB after 24 hours. So that's how easy it is. And what you just need to do, just pay a small gas fee and it will be redirected into your account. So like what you're seeing here, it is being redirected into my account. Okay, so let's take a look on the balance. Okay, this is very important for a project to see if what is the movement of the people inside this project. As you can see here, they started last March 29, and now it's already September. So let me just click the all. So this started last March. So March, April, May, June, July, August. So just imagine, guys. Okay, there might be some rocking roads here, but as you can see, especially this few months, okay, there's a lot of people that are holding and just reinvesting their profits into BNB Miner, and this is the reason why. Okay, so just imagine, okay, if you are earning 3% daily at starting at around $20, you already made more than $4,000 if you started last 6 months ago. And even if you just started last month, you are now making more than 48. So that's more like 120% of your money, and I think that's pretty much good in my case, because you are making this really good amount of money without even exerting any effort at all. So imagine, let's say you can afford to risk more. Let's say you're starting with a bigger amount like 300, okay, or even a 500, let's say $300, okay, and you started like last 6 months ago. Let's see how much you already made. Okay, so that's more like $63,000. Just imagine that, guys. Okay, just reinvesting it, just making money. That's just absolutely awesome. Okay, and what you just need to do here again is for you to be able to start, just enter the amount of BNB that you want to hire in exchange for miners, and you will be able to get a reward in a BNB after 12 to 24 hours, which you can pocket it right away. Okay, so the good thing into this project is that this algorithm is programmed from long-term sustainability. And even if you're going to look at the charts over here, this is a very healthy chart. Okay, I've never seen a project that has a really good healthy chart like this. As you can see here, they started at the bottom like 4,000 USD, and now there are more than 178,000 USD value inside, and people are not like stopping to reinvest it, because in terms of the project, in terms of the developers itself, I think this is the best one that has been published yet. Okay, if you're going to look at here, okay, there's Cryptoegg over here, and if you're going to look into their verified address, so let's look forward into the verified contract. If you're going to check here into the analytics, okay, so it's even like what do you call that? Noisy, which is really annoying. So if you're going to look at the analytics BNB balance, you see that there's a lot of people dumping here. Why is that? Because this project is not sustainable at all. And I just recently see that this project is a copycat of they copied BNBMiner.Finance. Okay, so the good thing here is that they are going to change the codes into the next few weeks to come, wherein there will be more updates, and also it's just going to be really good, so that there will be no people that are going to try to copy this original mining project game in Binance Smart Chain. So again, that's how easy it is. I think this is pretty much self-explanatory, and if you're going to look forward into the contract itself, okay, it is a verified. This one is verified. So what does it mean? Okay, if it is verified, the developers cannot be able to change the code because it is 100% complete decentralized project as well. So that's very important, because if the developer has a chance to change the code, then probably he can just run away. But here, the developer, I even speak to some of the team behind this project, and if I'm going to evaluate it, I think they are really here in it because of the project, and they are actually aiming for a long-term sustainability, and of course they actually want to help more people to earn a stable amount of money in BNB tokens as well. Okay, so this is time tested and proven. It is already verified. What do you call that? It has a healthy chart. There's more people that are holding it, which is a really good sign for you, unlike those other clones. And that is why I give BNBMiner.Finance 10 out of 10 in my rating as well. So just like reminding you guys, okay, that only invest what you can afford to lose as well. So I think that's the basic part that you should know, and also do your own research, and invest what you can afford to lose. And I think that's pretty much it. So again, in terms of earnings, I think this is really bringing a decent amount of profits in your end, especially if you like to take some risk and you want to earn money without actually you're not working for it as well. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you like this content. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on my next video.